Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm working on some tags, some ephemera for the journal. Don't you love that cover? So this is the tag that we had in here, but I decided I didn't like it, so I'm making a new tag, and that's what I'm doing now. I lost something. So I need to strengthen these, so I'm going to put them on this. But this is the tag that I'm going to make. It's going to be one of these open tags. You know, you open it up for writing. You have a tag back here. And this was inspired by Heather at Rose Hill Paper Cottage. I'm wearing my contacts today, which I have to use reading glasses to see, and I am having a problem crafting in contacts. I don't think I'll do that again. It's too much of a problem. These old eyes, I tell you, they are not good. So how's everybody doing today? I hope you're all doing well. I'm going to the dentist here in a little bit. Just for cleaning, so not too bad. Now hopefully I can cut this the right way. I can see I'm not getting close enough. This is not easy to craft in these contacts. So yeah, today is a busy day for me. I have to go grocery shopping for a few things. Oh, I love that tag. I was gonna craft all day. I think I would take my contacts out. They are really bothering me. So this one with this pretty dove is going to go here, about like that. And this one will go in here. And we need to do a topper on it. Let's get out this one with the gold. That one with the gold's about gone. Let's see, how do I want to tie it? I think I got too much. I tie it different every time I do one. I'm sorry if I was out of camera. range. I don't like those bows are too big. Having problems. I think I like it hanging down. There we go. So this one, that is so pretty, isn't it? This is Ruby and Pearl's bird kit. And then the French paper here is tailor-made journals. Let's see, I think I need to grab another one. There. That looks a lot better. I like this a lot better. Now hopefully it fits. There, and we have the gold stitching that I did, and the gold seam binding, the gold and white seam binding. And that looks perfect. It all matches up. Oh, I love it. I love this cover, I swear I do. Now, I wonder if there's a place for this or if I just don't use it. I think I used that pattern in here. Yeah, I don't see it. Bring some color over there on that page. Awesome. All right, so what are we doing today? Well, we are going to make the envelope tags, and I've done this with you before. And I found these in my stash. And I believe they're all the same size, pretty much. The blue's a little bit smaller than both of those. The yellow's a little bit bigger. So I just want to make sure that this will fit before I start, and I should have done that already. So the blue one fits there just fine. I just want to make sure. So the pink one, not quite. But I think this is a bigger signature. Nope. All right, we're gonna stick with the blue. And I have them right here, so I'm gonna grab another one because I might do two. And I probably should have grabbed a kitchen knife. So all you want to do is carefully take the envelope apart. And a kitchen knife would help with that. Okay, be careful. All right, there's one. All right, let's try this one. Awesome, there's two. Just clean it up a little bit. And it doesn't matter what envelope you use, you're not going to see it because we're fixing to cover the whole thing. And I don't know if I'll get to two today or not, but we will try. Alright, so what do we want to cover it in? First of all, that goes back like that. And this goes like this. Goes like this. And I gotta think of what do I want to cover it in. All of this to choose from. So let's get to looking. We got some blue writing. We could stick with a blue theme. I might use that one. We have some coffee dyed lace. We'll use one of these. Might use that. This goes, looks like we're doing a pink theme on this one. Here's that. That's that pattern from that tag. Nothing else is screaming at me. Let's see what we got. I think I'm going to do the pattern here. All right, so we got that piece in the back there. And that's what you'll see from that. I'm gonna go ahead and use this back here. I think we'll do that. I know you never see me use a book to glue. I always chance it. I do pretty good with staying in the lines though. I went to Hobby Lobby the other day and got some metallic colored pencils. The colors are so pretty. But I like to color in the adult coloring books once in a while. On this one, we'll do both sides of the flap because the flap isn't going to be, you know, attached. It's not going to be permanent in any way. So it'll be flipping up so you'll see the underside. These ones will be attached, so we don't have to do the underside of these. So let's pick something, thinking about the front as well. We could use this on the flap. I didn't mean to do a pink theme on this tag, it just happened. or this floating pocket really is what it is. Okay, and I think I'm going to do the same on the underside. Was I out of shot? I'm sorry. I was just gluing this down on the book. Aren't these pages just yummy? I love that book. Alright, let's do a little, although I could wait until I'm all done. But I got one side done and feel like distressing it. And the glue definitely needs to dry. All right, let's see what we're gonna do here. All right, let's do this on this flap. Oh, I need to cut that off before the glue dries. I feel like we've been here a while, so we'll probably just do this one. And then I'll work on the other one off camera. All right, that's pretty. Do we want that or do we want this? Or this, because we have white, so let's do that. It is so warm out today. I wish it would cool down here like it does in our northern states, just not all the snow. I've been seeing some beautiful pictures of Michigan with the fall leaves, and oh my goodness, absolutely beautiful. We don't have, you know, the fall leaves here, so it's definitely a sight to see. Definitely a sight to see. Yeah, I've always lived in Florida except for 11 years I lived in Arizona. Don't have fall leaves there either. Did have snow. About 45 minutes from where I lived. So we got to experience the snow when I lived there. All right, let's see what we got. So we're gonna punch our 2 holes and find some ribbon. Now, if my crocodile was out, then I would put eyelets in here. But I can't do that. Let me get these out of the way. All right, what ribbon do we want? I don't have any pink that matches that one. You ever think sometimes you have too many choices? What about the green? Let's do green. It's always tough to find the end on these. And this just stays tied. And we just find some tags to put in here. And we got a nice little floating pocket. And this might have been Heather at Rose Hill, at Ruby and Pearl, that did this, not Rose Hill Paper Cottage. I might have gotten that mixed up. All right, let's see what we have. That fits perfectly. Get a paper clip for this. Perfect, and you can add as many tags as you want in there. I like the green. Now let's find a place for it. Perfect. All right. Well, I'm gonna do this other one off camera. I hope you guys make some of these, and I would love to see your projects. So thanks for joining me, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.